Atongoria ngwataniro-ini ici cia gutetera ihoto cia umundu moritie thirikari gukinyaniria kihoto kuri andu aria moragitwo na njira ya unyamu mari mirurungano-ini. Atongoria aya mataririe kuri na maabitha a borithi makoretwo makiagarara ihoto cia Kenya riu makienda makinya ma kiwatho makorwo magitacukio.
The police officers going out of their way to collect any evidence so that they can protect their own. We have seen them, pathetically lie that people they have killed with the guns that are bought with taxpayers' money have been, have died in road accidents.
Moritie bunge ya bururi kwaga kuhitukia maritwa ma maminista atandatu aria mutongoria wa bururi aracagurire macoke thirikari-ini makihinyiriria president ni arabatara kwamba gutariria gitumi gia gucokia maminista cio wira-ini.
Why do you fire them and then in about 2 weeks you reappoint them? What does that mean for the voices of young people? For all the Kenyans, ile sauti yote watu wamekuwa kienda barabarani.
Mareganite na miario ya kuga ngwataniro ici ni ikoretwo igiteithiriria arurungani na njira ya kuheana mbeca makiuga iyo ni mihuhu kuona matirekuruhania na njira o yothe na mirurungano ya mbeu njithi.
Viongozi wa kidini, dini zinasema nini kuhusu wauaji wakiwa katika jamii? Mbona hayo hamuzungumzi?
We want to see police officers arraigned in court within 14 days. If you want evidence, come to us, or we'll provide their videos, their photographs, the evidence is there. There is no excuse.
Ritana ria ngwataniro ici ni kihoto kia andu aria manyamaritio gikinyanirio mbere ya thirikari gutabania miario o yothe kuria ningi moritie mwena wa mungethaniro kuruta thirikari mahitia ithenya-ini ria kunyitanira na thirikari hari kuhumbira mahitia riria meyumiria.
Mwanasiasa yoyote kutoka upinzani atakayeunga ama atakayekubali kuwekwa katika serikali, huyo ni msaliti wa demokrasia, huyo ni msaliti wa kizazi cha Gen Z, na huyo ni msaliti wa Wakenya kwa jumla.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.